Well, we have a small dent now on this Porsche back wing. I don't know if we can just make it out. It's also tiny. It's there, it has to be done. There it is. See that little dig there? Point it out one more time. A little dent there. Right, so that's quite an easy job. Take the wheel off. Take the splash guard off. Take the splash guard off. And in here, there's a grommet. Remove that. That's here. That's there. Take that off. That one should go straight into, to do this one here. I'm going to use this one here. There he is, there's that dent. It's annoying that's annoying the customer. That small little mark there is doing the customer's head in. How we doing? I mean, how's the weather where you're living, mate? Shit, where I'm living, bro. Alright. Let's put this in a place where we can see me working. I'll put it down here. Use this. Yeah. Go through that hole. Alright, this job done. Took about 10 seconds. Cheers, brother. There should be no dent in now. Quite a simple one. Straight through there. Using that 1 minute job. No need to paint, cost effective, no gas, no electric, no waste materials, fast, the car hasn't been moved.